Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making the connection. Open the PlayStation app and make sure your phone and Ps4 share the same Wi-Fi. Sign in with the identical PSN account on both devices so the app recognizes your console. Once done, tap Connect to Ps4, choose link using Wi-Fi, or enter the code shown on the TV. This establishes the control channel and unlocks remote features, which is why the account and network must match exactly. With the app linked, navigate to the Ps4 main screen through Remote Play or the app's remote control options. Move to Library, open Applications, then select Capture Gallery on the console interface you see in the app. You can also jump straight to Saved Clips or Screenshots folders. Make sure thumbnails finish loading. If they don't, refresh the view. This step lets you preview, select, and manage media directly from your device, instead of using the controller on the TV. You finish by opening any capture to view full screen and use the Share button to upload to PSN, send to social apps, or transfer to USB. If you need the file on your phone, download or use Remote Play screenshot save options, then transfer via a cloud service. If images or clips fail to appear, restart the PlayStation app and the console, confirm PSN is online, and relink accounts. This clears most connection and permission problems, so your gallery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.